Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So this is going to be a quick video on installing BX fonts into your Embrilliance software. So I have just purchased two fonts from Etsy. I have this Emma script font from Rivermill Embroidery, and I also have this Sweet Pea font from mixedmetalblanks.com. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit download files, and I'm going to go here and do download there and download here. Right, so as you can see down here, they are downloading. And then once they download, I will go to my downloads. Right, so this is the Emma script. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to extract all, and I'm going to browse, and it's going to go in my embroidery design folder, and I'm going to do extract. So it's taking a while. It's 1,502 items. So there's lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and there's different sizes. That's why there's so many fonts. All right, we are almost complete. Well, not almost. Well, we're halfway complete. How y'all feeling today? Y'all feeling all right? I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling okay. Not my best, but I'm feeling okay. All right, we're almost done with that one. All right, so that's done. So I'm gonna go here to my embroidery designs, and I'm going to find it. So it's Emma scripts. So it's right here. So I'm just gonna click on it like so. Um, let's see. I'm not sure what these files are. You know what? I hate when I freaking get fonts like this where it's like all individual. I didn't even notice that. Let me see. Let's back out. Or maybe I could just do these two right here. I'm gonna see because I don't wanna do all those individually. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here, you're gonna open that up, and then I'm going to click this. So I'm gonna both open it at the same time and just drag it over. So it's in one, the RM Emma script 1.5 inch has been installed. So I'm gonna do okay. And then I'm gonna do the same for the 1 inch and the 2 inch. Alright, so then I'm going to just I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna type in my name here. Right. And then I'm going to find that font. Is it just Emma? No, that's gonna be R. Oh, I don't know my alphabet. R and Emma. So I'm gonna do 1 inch. And there you have it. And of course, when you get script font like this, you know, you can adjust the spacing. You can adjust the spacing right here. I honestly don't like adjusting the spacing like that. I like to pick each individual letter and adjust the spacing. That's what I like to do. I don't even know if I really like this font. I downloaded this font so I can do about to embroider some names on bags for my bridal party, and I just wanted a script font, but I don't even know if I like this one honestly. So that is how you import VX fonts into the Embrilliance software. So hope this video was helpful, and until next time, y'all have a great day.